Welcome to all, dear students. In the last lecture, we had seen form of design, objectives of form design, and types of form design. Today, we are going to learn significance of form design and principles of form designing. So, start with the new topic, significance of form design. Definition of form design. Forms are printed sheets of paper or cardboards used to collect and transmit the information. Office forms are printed of papers with space for entering the details records. This information or instructions to be conveyed to the receiving the authority or the person. Significance of form design. The office form is increasing day by day. The reason the success of office form is advantage of using this form. The sum of the reason office form are importance. The first point is smooth running of a modern business office. Office form are importance because they simplify the office system and routine work. These forms are essential to run a modern business office smoothly. Thereafter, next point is reduction of chances of errors. This form bear the necessary information on it, and therefore the chances of errors are provide the detailed correct information. Next is base in office work. These forms are helpful because a two-way systems make the office work is easy and serve the related parties in a better way. Next point is uniformity and correct information. Office forms are helpful in managing the uniformity and providing the correct information. Next significance of form design is control over wastage of time and energy. The use of office form present advantage in saving the unnecessary human labor controls and the waste of time. Next is office future reference. These forms are helpful in providing the future references in office. Next is preservation of the records of office. Office forms are important because they help and to keep the preserve and the records of the office. And last significance of form design is security. This form is provide the security. So these were the various significance of form design. In this slide, now we will discuss principles of form designing. The first is principle of use. The form must be kept in mind by the designer of the office form. To ensure the objective and need of the office form. They help in saving time and the human energy. They should design specific objectives. The organization use of form must be simplicity. Next point is principle of economy. The economy is very important for the drafting of an office form. This form must be prepared keeping various functions in the office. The economy of organization shall be kept away and the expenses that can be avoided. Next is principle of multiple use. They must be aware of the fact and the office form must be prepared. It can be facilitated multiple use. The office work is easy and controlled and maintained over the number of forms. Thereafter, next point is principle of coordination. The form should be according to the office requirement. They need to write the information and they must contain the certain line and writing becomes the very easy. They should avoid it in the form and they use on the typewriter. Next is principle of centralized control. In this process, the designing, elimination and the replacement of the form and under control of the responsible officer or any other supervisor detained for the purpose only. There should be a principle of centralized control. The number of forms under the control to make the necessary changes of the old form and the new form in place of the old form. Thereafter, next point is principle of standardization. This is another principle of the form. The size of form, the quality of the paper, and the color of the form. Method of reproduction. They used to make the utility of the form. The principle is also important and the form are keeping the secure. So these were the various principles of form designing. Thank you.